Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Niton Patsala. I am Niton Bragohai and today we are learning how to create a website in WordPress. Additionally, I will demonstrate how to easily create a website for you in this video within 10 minutes. After seeing this video, you will be able to use drag and drop to create any types of website that looks like this. So don't miss this video and watch it all the way through to discover how to accomplish it. Okay, let's start building this website. Choosing the perfect domain name and hostings. So the first step is to choose a name for your website. I have already decided on a name, licmdrt.com, and I am going to search for it and click check availability. Okay, as you can see, the name is available. So after you have the name, you may go to the next page. Step 2. Get hosting and domain. Hosting and domain name are the two things we need to create our website. First, hosting is where your website's file will be stored. The domain is the name of your website. So scroll down to obtain hosting and a free domain. We were going to buy hosting here. So let's click get started. Now input the same name you chose previously. So I am going to type licmdrt.com and then click search. Now click select and continue. Okay, so this is our card. You can see that where we were getting the domain for thousands rupees. Consider changing the duration from 2 to 1 year. You can see that we are obtaining the domain for free. So let's go ahead and check out. GoDaddy will now prompt you to log in. So click the create account and provide your information. Now input any 4-digit number for the PIN and click create account before continuing to fill out the data. Now select your payment method and click continue. Okay, this will cost us about rupees every month. The plan will be good for 1 year. So let us place this order and make the payment. So I will finish the payment first. Okay, so we have made the money and have received the domain and hosting. Installing WordPress in your domain. Step 3. Install WordPress. We were planning to utilize WordPress because it makes it incredibly simple to create a website without knowing any programming or code. So let's install WordPress. We will scroll down and click manage WordPress. Okay, I will click here and then click get started. Now simply select your domain and click next. You now need to enter a WordPress account and password. You will need this log into WordPress. So I am going to enter my name and password and then click install. Okay, so WordPress has been installed. Now let's click get started. Then no thanks, then alright. So this is our WordPress dashboard. For here you can handle your website. Now if you want to access the WordPress dashboard again, simply navigate to your website address and type /login. Okay, so when you get to your WordPress dashboard, it indicates your website is online. So let's go to our website address and hit enter. As you can see, our website is now up. So this is what the default site looks like. So next, How to install and active a WordPress theme like Extra. To make it easier to edit our website, we will install a new theme. Step 4. Install a new theme. So the new theme is named Extra. So to install it, go here and select themes. Then click add new and search for Extra. So we are going to install these themes. Simply click install and activate. Okay, so the themes get activated. Next, you will be installing a plugin which comes with these themes. So installing the plugins will allow us to simply alter our theme. So to install the plugins, go to plugin and then click add new. Then search for and install the Extra plugin. So click install, then activate. The Extra Sites plugins is now installed. This plugin includes a variety of website designs for which you may select and apply to your site. So to view these designs, click show library. Now before we select a design, simply click Elementor, which will make it easy for you to change it. So click Elementor and you may now select any design you want. So I am going to choose this design and show you how the site looks. If you want to use this design on your site, simply click install plugins. The design and demo content will now be imported into your website. Once completed, you can now view the site. So click view site. Okay, as you can see, the demo has been imported into our website and here's how it appears. And you can see these other pages which also contain demo materials. So once you have integrated the design into your site, you can move on to the final phase, which is to update the content. So to change any page on your site, simply navigate to the page and select change with Elementor. So if you want to alter the home page, simply click home and edit with Elementor and you will be taken to this editing section where you may change the text. You simply select the text and start typing whatever you want. So I will type hello, welcome to my website, and you can edit the text on this button. You simply click here and modify the text on this button. Similarly, you may edit any text on this page by selecting it and start typing. So this applies throughout the website. Now if you wish to modify the image, you simply click it, select the image and then drag and drop it. So once you have finished making changes, simply save the page by clicking save and all of your changes will be preserved. You can now access the page by clicking here and then select access page. So as you can see, all of our adjustments have arrived. Okay. How to add a new page and templates in your WordPress website. Now you know how to change any page on your website, how to modify the header or footer portion of your website. You can now edit this aspect of your website with Elementor. However, if you wish to edit this section, which is the header, you can accomplish this by navigating to the customize option. So let's go to personalize. I will see some blue icons where you can alter the logo and you can also change the menu section by clicking these icons. So everything can be updated using these blue icons, and this will also apply to the footer area. So if you want to alter the wording, simply click these blue symbols and start typing whatever you want. When you are finished making changes, click the publish button and they will be live on the website. Now let's close this and return to our website. Okay, we saw how to alter the header and footer areas. What if you want to create a new page? It's really simple, and all you need to do is enter this new page and click it. Let's imagine you want to create a service page for your website. First, add a title and then click edit using Elementor to begin making a page. So now it will take you to the blank part where you have two options for creating your page. First, you can use the elements that are over here, then drag and drop them into this space. For example, suppose you wish to include a header. You can drag and drop these items here. Then type your tags, and you can add an image by dragging and dropping these pieces. So drag and drop here to begin designing your page. Another option for creating a page is to use templates. Templates are now ready-made pages that may be imported into your website. So click add templates and you will see a branch of designs. If you wish to use any of the design, simply click on theme and see how they look. And if you like it, just click insert and add it to your page. And now you can see that you have integrated the design into our page. As we previously started, you can edit anything and this page by simply selecting it. Once you have made your changes, click save and view pages. Guys, this is how you may add new pages to your website. So now you know how to launch your website by obtaining domain and hosting. Import the demo material and customize it to create your own website. So if you are ready to create your own website, just click here to go to the page we mentioned in the first step, which is where you may choose your domain and develop your website. If you found this video useful, then please give it up a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Niton Pathshala for future tips and tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.